Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make an Ahi Tuna salad with the Sesame Vinaigrette. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For the salad, we'll need a half pound of sushi grade Ahi Tuna, a head of romaine, a bell pepper, a carrot, a cucumber, a lemon, 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a quarter teaspoon of dried ginger. For the dressing, we'll need a quarter cup of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of minced garlic, and a quarter teaspoon of dried ginger. We'll start by cutting and juicing our lemon. Then we'll mix our lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a quarter teaspoon of our dried ginger, and marinate our half pound of tuna for 20 minutes, flipping about halfway through. While our tuna marinates, we'll make our dressing. We'll mix together our quarter cup of sesame oil, remaining 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, our teaspoon of minced garlic, and remaining quarter teaspoon of dried ginger, until well combined. Then we'll start on our salad. We'll remove the tough outer leaves from our head romaine and chop it to form our salad base. Then we'll peel and julienne our carrot, julienne our cucumber, discarding the seeded portion or reserving it for another recipe, and core, seed, and thinly slice our bell pepper. After we've prepared our salad, and our tuna has marinated for at least 20 minutes, we'll heat our 3 tablespoons of avocado oil over medium heat. Once our pan is hot, we'll press our tuna into our sesame seeds to coat both sides. Then we'll place our tuna in the pan and sear it for 1 minute per side, and searing the outside edges for a few seconds each. Once our tuna is seared, we'll thinly slice it about 1/8 of an inch thick, place it on top of our salad, and drizzle about half of our sesame vinaigrette over the salad, reserving the other half as a dipping sauce. We'll serve this chilled or at room temperature. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.